Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. Today we will see this tool called Digital Architect. So it is especially to sell some building or plot or flat, right? And you can create the virtual environment, and with this tool you can easily set the selling perspective altogether in just few clicks. So here I have created this map. This is a dummy map and this is not included in the plugin itself right now, but maybe in future we will provide the link for this project too, so you can use the whole map altogether. So right now you can see we have different options. At the right it is self-explanatory, like right now it's afternoon, I guess. If I will click on morning, you can see this scene is depicting the sunset view, which is kind of like morning. We are also thinking to provide some options which called custom timing. So you will have the perfect picture, like how will it look in the morning, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., so on, so on. But for now, we have something like this. If I click on night, it will create really decent lighting, and you can see how the building looks at the night side. I know, like you want like we should have, some proper lighting, but this is the real scenario which you do want to create. So we did it intentionally. Let's imagine your building will look like in the night like this, so you can put it like this, but it's your choice, right? In 3D, you can showcase your creativity. So here I do want to sell this building flat, and right now I have chosen the night, and I will click on surrounding. In surrounding, what it will do, it will show all the main points. So we call them POI, point of interest, which are literally important from the selling perspective. Let's imagine there are schools, airport, universities, anything like that. We put it around the surrounding. So you can see as right now, if you won't touch the mouse, it will automatically shift the player to the 3D drone mode. Right now it is moving around the building, so you can see the whole scenario, and you can see it is also locating the POI things, which I can see Central Station, Tennis Stadium, Mega Mall, MACD, and so on. So maybe I will click on airport station, and see it is showcasing the airport station. The area is quite huge. Using mouse wheel, I can zoom in and zoom out a bit, and I can see, and it is also showing me the path. Okay, this is the path how you can go from the selected item to the main building. And at the right you will have some more details about what you have clicked. So this is the airport station, XYZ International Airport, and the distance from the main building is 200 meter. In gallery we have put different photos which will be related to the airport station, and this is flat too. This is extra, which we will cover it later. But yeah, so one option is like you can directly click on the button like football. I'm clicking here. It will navigate me from the airport station to the football field. Perfect. So you can see I will zoom out a bit. So what it is doing, it will try to capture the whole area, so you can you can zoom in and zoom out. Right now I do want to see everything from the bird eye perspective. That's why I'm zooming out. So I can see, okay, this is the road down there, and it is showing me the building path, and it is like 10 meters away. So this is the dummy data which you can put from the in Excel sheet, and it will read all the values from there. I can also click on Highlight University. It will again take me from here to there. So you get the gist, right? So it is showing me all the things which I do want to see all together. If I will click on amenities, what it will do, it will navigate from the selected item to the main building. So right now it is showcasing the amenities. Like if I do want to purchase this flat or something, right, in this building, what will I get? I will get tennis facilities, parking, theater, and park. Right now it's kind of dark, so it should be lit. What I will do, I will click on afternoon. So I can see them clearly, which is really nice. I'll click on tennis, it will zoom in a bit, and it's showcasing this is the tennis which you have selected, and I can see, okay, how it's looking. This is looking really good. I can see gallery and the flat tour is extra, so we will cover it later. Okay, I can again zoom out a bit. I can see that we have helipad also. Just for to showcase that. If I will click on helipad, it will try to zoom in there. Right now we don't have the sign, but yeah, you get the gist, right? So next is the unit search, which is the main crux of this tool. If I click here, you can see we have these flats all together inside the building, right? So we have the color categories. You can create your own with the tool itself, right? So what we have sold, hold, and free. So if we have sold the building, it's red, and if it's in hold, like it's neither sold nor free, but it's in hold, so it's hold, the blue, and free is the green. So if I will uncheck sold and hold, so right now it is showing me all the flats which are available, right, which I can purchase from. Next is the direct facing. So the beauty of this plugin is like you can add your own filter, and you don't have to code much. It's just one or two click and you will be ready with your filter. I do want to choose, let's imagine I will remove these three, so I do have just south, right? Okay, that's perfect. I can see the south, and or let's do the filter with the other. So the pricing range, I can again choose something like this is like 55,000. I will choose like 1 lakh, and it will filter out the flats which are in that range. So you can see how quickly we can see the 3D visualization, right? This is really good. So you get the gist, and area is the same. If I do want to, let's imagine if I do want to choose minimum is 0 and maximum is this. So it is auto picking the value first. By default, it will auto pick like what is minimum and the maximum range. Then you can customize it according to your need. Next is the area. Again, I can, select the area. Let's imagine I don't want small flats like this one. I guess this is small. So maybe I will go like 200, and it has removed from the right side. So yep, now you got the idea. So this was the major overview of this tool, like why we need this tool. So in the next tool I will showcase what's the technical things you do need and how you can use the plugin itself. So thank you and have a nice day. And again, I'm mentioning this map right now, it's not included in the map in the plugin, but in future we are planning to make it public so you can directly use it for your own purpose. Thank you and have a nice day.